Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Hey, Johto Lee. Hope you're all doing great. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Johto Johnny's channel if you enjoy the content. And of course, if you subscribe, hit that Jotification bell. We don't say notification here, folks. We say Jotification now. So, again, another Shining Legends video. The Raichu GX box. We're hoping to get some ridiculous pulls. Can we? We'll see. Let's hope for the best. But before we get into that, as always, if you're new, if you've been here a while, if you've been here the whole time, you are all appreciated. But take a look at these giveaways for the month of July. We have Charmander, we have Bulbasaur, we have Eevee, Squirtle, and Pikachu Funko Pops. Hashtag giveaway, hashtag gotta catch them all. I know early on I was telling you hashtag all their names. You could keep doing that. But you're going to be entered either way for a chance to win one of them. Can't win both. You can't win two. You can't win them all. You can only win one. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Shining Legends Special Collection Raichu GX box. Still looking for that Test Tube Mewtwo. Rainbow would be great. Anything like that. I know some of you love Shining Legends, so that's why I'm doing it. Like I said in the one video, I'm kind of sick of Sword and Shield already. Just waiting impatiently for Darkness Ablaze. I hope I get that Charizard. I really do. So, sit back, relax, enjoy. We got a Johto Johnny video here. Let's get into this. Alright, and again I'll show the Raichu. Beautiful card. Pikachu Hollow. Alright, Genesect, Rayquaza, Shining Mew, and Mewtwo. So I hope you're all having a great day, as always. There's the code. Energy. Floatzel. Scrafty. Energy Retrieval. Totodile. Stunfisk. Ivysaur, Bulbasaur, Pluzzle, Floatzel, and Zoroark GX. Okay. Nice card. Forgot that was even in the set. I really wish I kept my Shining Legends book that showed all the cards in it. That would have been smart. The code. Energy. How. Golurk. Volcarona. Jinx. Croconaw. Scraggy. Weasel. Golett. Great Ball. And Berizian. Holographic. And for those of you that don't know, it's always going to be a holographic or higher in Shining Legends. Such an amazing set. Now let's open the Mewtwo pack. Then we'll do the last two with the Shining Mews. Set of late has been very hit or miss though. I decided, I'm like, you know what? I don't want to open Sword and Shield. I'm kind of tired of Sword and Shield, so do a little something different for you. Let's do like a little mini series of Shining Legends. Voltorb, Purloin, Litten, Arbok, Palkia. I know you all let me know if you like it or not. So I love about this community. We're all honest. That's the way to be. Boy, I didn't want anybody to get in this pack. Wow. There's the code. Energy. Volcarona. Liepard. Energy Retrieval. Croconaw. Pikachu. Ekans. Zora. Buzzle. Ekans. Reshiram. Still love that art on that. That's a nice card. Nice holo. So far we got a GX, so nothing, you know, spectacular, but still nice. A nice pull. See what we can get in this one. I always say it's always a great day opening a Pokemon card, so. Let's see here. Energy. Pokemon Breeder. Ultra Ball. Feraligatr. Minun. Breloom. Torracat. Ekans. Pikachu. Golett. And a Keldeo. Holographic. That box was rough. Hey, like I say, it's always a great day opening Pokemon cards. Keldeo holographic. Reshiram holographic. Palkia. Virizion. And Zoroark GX. Nice. Very nice pulls. Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Johto Elite, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you do subscribe, make sure to hit that Johtofication bell, so you're always notified of a Johto Johnny video. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see you very soon.